So this is only capping balance, guys. Only capping balance. So only balance capping. For milli? How many amperes applied? Power.
Power?
Oh, 150? 150? 151. So this is for milli, guys. 7018. Ampere is applied 151. This is a vertical repair from annular bottom to vertical. So this area is for X3. For X3, this is portion, this vertical. So if you observe, the upside is automatic, vertical automatic. Then downside is small. So we are building a stick, building process downside because the machine cannot reach downside. That's why we are building the stick building. Very good. Okay. Bangladesh? Aywa. India. Okay. So this is for milli. Okay, continue building. So look at around, guys. That is a new foundation of tank storage. So this is already finished, the first shell, the first course erection of shell plate. This is 32 thickness. Remove, look in the wheel. Okay, very good. So this is a peeling. So look at the result, guys. Okay. Okay, continue. Okay.